Water's already off, and I have faucets open to drain out up here. There we go. What you heard there was just the J-clips breaking. They used to keep that in place. But I'm going to put in a 2x4 for back and hold that. All shower control valves have a plastic piece that tells you the finished depth that you are supposed to put them. So your trim works. But typically, on a 2x4 wall, it's 2x4 flush with back. That's usually how these Moen ones really like. We're gonna mark our center of our shower so that everything lines up. And then mount our valve body. So I like to get it pre-mounted. And then that way, to undo it, to connect your packs. See? Okay. All right. So we've got a couple of X couplers here. Can you see that? Lower that just a little. There we go. So the couplers just connect your two ends of PEX together. So, oops. Fall down the hole like your friend. So depending on where the PEX comes from, if I buy it from my supplier, it is slightly different diameter than if it were to get it from Home Depot. And that's just a different manufacturer for it. But the rings fit very loose on the Home Depot stuff. I believe where I am, they source their packs from Sharkbite. Makes theirs. That brand. So I kind of pre-crimp everything to keep it in the right spot. You always want a little bit of about 1/8 of pecs before your ring and your fitting there. Okay, so because this is too close for my crimpers, seeing that I have my valve already screwed in, then I can just undo the screws, crimp that, and put it exactly back where it was before. That's why I like to pre-screw. Yeah, it's a good spot there. That way it kind of holds my position. Okay. Put that back. Like that. And then these are J clips. We use those. So that things don't go places. Oh, that's one of the crappy ones. Keeps your pipes from banging around. Okay. Shower drop elbow. It's got a 1/2-inch female pipe thread that the shower arm screws into. Okay. So let's move this back and tilt that up like so. Okay. So I like putting them pretty high because you never know down the line people might want rain heads or different sort of shower valve. Different sort of shower valve, different sort of shower head. Or maybe kids grow up tall. So I want to make sure that there's lots there. Ouch. My head. These studs are twisty. Center 16 inches because they have a 32-inch base. Okay, so we will put the cartridge back in, but I will get some lube to put on that first. Okay, so this is just a plumber's lubricant, good for shower cartridges and O-rings, just to make sure everything slips in. Okay, remember, hot on the hot side, cold on the cold side. Flat up, single flat up, not double flat. That slides in, we put our pin, holds it, our little sleeve. So this shower is going to be off. And because it's a shower, the kit they got has a tub filler. When it's on a shower, they typically call it a toe tester, but nobody I know ever uses that. So they supply you with a little cap, little threaded cap to put on the underside there. So whenever you're putting on threaded fittings inside of a wall, make sure, well, the way I do it to make sure that you prevent leaks is Teflon tape and pipe dope. That way, you got all your bases covered. Just make sure that you give it the best possible way of not leaking. And when you work with threaded fittings, make sure that you run your Teflon tape in the direction that the threads turn. Otherwise, you're going to be undoing your fitting, or undoing your thread tape as you are putting your fitting on. So just snugging that so I can get this guy tightened down. That's good. Make sure it's tight. And there we have shower valve installation. We'll turn the water back on, test for leaks, and we are good to go.